Wait. What? European wax center who? Because, man. Hey guys, my name's Angeline and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some sugar waxing at home by myself. So we're going to see how this goes because I've never done this before. I wanted to do DIY sugar waxing, but that was a fail. So I had to get my own pre-made thing. This is by Nair Sugar Spa. And the story of how I came upon this product is really funny. First of all, I was scrolling at Instagram and I saw an ad for this, and first of all, if you know me, I hate Instagram ads. Like, they torment me. They torment me because every single thing you type in one word into the Google search bar, you see 10 Instagram ads on it. But I digress. Anyways, I saw this and I was like, wait, like I use Nair, like their hair removal cream. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be great. And they have a wax. I'm like, I trust the company. And so like the sugar wax should be good too, right? So I ordered it and then like 6 days passed and I didn't get like your shipping label is here type of thing or your tracking number is here. I was like, excuse me, like what's going on? So then like 6-7 days later, the same Instagram ad pops up on my screen like, why? Can you leave me alone? I already purchased it. Like, that's what you wanted. You took my money. Then I see comments and the girl said, it's been 3 months. I haven't received mine. I said, oh, what? Like, I know these people didn't scam me. And it was like $13-14 for this, including like tax and stuff. And I think shipping was free. Then I went to the comments and said, and replied to the girl like, dang, it's been 6 days. I haven't received a thing. Like, I hope these people aren't scamming me. Then like a couple hours later, I guess whoever runs the account said, oh, call this number between 9 and 5 and see like what's going on. Call them. The guy was really nice. He was like, oh, so I think because of Corona, there's like been some issues with them. Maybe I'm just giving them benefit of the doubt because I eventually got it. Like when I called him, like the next day he got my tracking number and then I got this within a couple of days. So I was like, oh, okay, maybe it was just something weird. Because I really thought I was about to be scammed because those Instagram ads, they be scamming people. Anyways, back to the main point. So yeah, I got this. It's the Sugar Spa and it says 100% naturally derived ingredients and it has only 5 ingredients and water. So, and it also has no dyes, perfumes, and parabens. And the ingredients are glucose, glycerin, sucrose, citric acid, water, and rose damascena flower extract. So yeah, that's technically fragrance, but like I know my skin is okay when it comes to rose because I use like rose water on my face. Let's open it because I haven't opened it yet actually. Okay, so it comes with a sugar wax. It comes with this wooden stick. Comes with instructions. And then it comes with the wax strips. Let's look at the instructions because I don't know how to use this. Okay, yeah, I'm taking you all on a journey with me because I have no clue what I'm doing. This is really like a beginner. Like if you're a beginner and I can do it, that means you can do it. All right, so it has different instructions for different parts of the body. So like I'm gonna do my armpits and bikini line. So it says for underarms, like you can see here, it's been a while since I shaved, but you know, whatever. So it says apply in the same like upwards towards the elbow and then rip down. And then for bikini line, it says go downwards like this motion and then rip upwards. Here y'all go. Like that. It doesn't say you can wax your face with this, but I might try it later. Okay, let me go warm this up. Okay, I only warmed it up for 40 seconds like it said, and it looks like it's doing good. This is how it looks. It said it should be in the consistency of honey. And I don't want to spill this, y'all, so this is how it's looking. Anyways, I'm going to start with my armpits and see how that goes. This is a wax strip. It's kind of large. I can divide this into 2. Let me cut it. I told myself I was going to repaint my nails before filming this video, but I didn't do it. So next video, I'll have nice nails. I promise y'all. Oh my gosh. Look. This is how it's looking. It says it should be like honey, and I think this looks like honey. Yeah, this is how honey be falling. So let me do this on my arm and see how that goes first before I just burn my armpit like... Can you imagine? Just a burnt armpit because you failed at waxing. Okay, so like this, so it'll be like, oh, this is smooth. Y'all see that? That's smooth. Okay. So then now take this strip, then stamp it. I don't really have hairy arms though, so like I'm doing this for no reason. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, it removed some hairs from my arms, but this test was really to see if it was like too hot or something, and it was fine. Okay, this video is gonna be all over the place. I apologize in advance. Alright, so I did that. Okay. And I put this on. And I pull downwards. Okay. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, I can't go back now, so... Bro, why did I do this? I'm so scared. Ah! I'm so scared. Just rip it fast. Just rip it fast. Okay. I think I did too big of a section. Like, it should have been a short like this, but I did like this whole thing. Let's just go. Ow. Ow. Okay. So I got some, but I don't know, maybe I waited too long. Okay, so there's still some on there, so I'm gonna reapply. I'm gonna reapply a little bit and then just do the small section like the instructions told me to do. Like, okay, I'm gonna use this like this. See how that goes. Okay. Ouch. Ow! This hurts. I don't like that. Like, I think I'm using too much wax. So I'm gonna use this residue, like this leftover wax, and see what happens. Ouch. I'm gonna see if these are washable, like if these are like reusable, like if I wash it right now. Okay, so it did wash out, so it just needs to dry, like so I can use it next time. So like, that's good. We love being environmentally friendly. Okay, so it's much better when you do a smaller, like smoother amount of wax and then pull it really fast. And also shorter strips. Let me finish this bot. Oh my god, this is looking good. Wait, this did a good job. Look. I know my armpits are dark, so it might not look like it did a good job. No, even my dark armpits look good still. Okay. Alright, so this is a before and after comparison. So this is like nothing done, and then this is, what? Oh my goodness, what? Alright, let's do armpit too, cause, alright, I'm gonna start with this lower part. Alright. Oh god. I don't want to do this again. I can't. What? This didn't do anything. Ouch. Ow. This is really freaking hurting me. This is hurting me. I sound like a baby, but this is hurting me. Okay, I'm gonna use longer strips and see if that helps. Now I have all these strips with like my hair on them all over the place. This is the wax strip. I hope if this is gross to you, sorry, click out, but this is the human body. So this is me with my hairy wax strips. All right, let me do this with a longer strip. because I was cutting them into thirds for a second. Alright. We got this. Got it. This whole thing is so funny to me because I'm just literally in my apartment by myself, just out here waxing my armpit, saying ow every time I pull a strip. Like, oh my gosh, like, of course, ow. What? Alright, let's go. Okay, that was the one. That was the one. I like this better than regular wax because, like, if you have residue, like, you really have to, like, be peeling it away. But this one, you just wipe it away because it's, like, sugar. It's water soluble. So overall, like, my impressions of this wax, I like it. It just, my armpits feel sticky. I think I need to use, like, for real water. Like, do this before you shower instead of after, like I did. Because, like, my armpits are sticky. Alright, so I'm going to do my bikini line. And y'all can watch my reaction. I'm not showing y'all my bikini line. What the heck? Okay, for the bikini line, it says apply in the direction of the hair. So, like, if this was your thigh here, like, this is your thigh, you wax down and then pull up. But it's in the direction of your hair growth. So if your hair grows, like, upwards for some reason, then it'd be the opposite way. So, alright, now I'm going to take my strip. Pray for me, guys. Ouch. Oh, this one was not as bad as the armpit. And this one was a better, like, cleaner job than the armpit, actually. Maybe because it's, like, a smoother surface, because, like, the armpit's, like, very, like, bumpy. Oh. If that's the case, okay, like, from doing the bikini line, it's actually easier than doing the armpits because, like, one, I think it's easier to pull up from your leg than, like, pulling, like, up, like, from your arm and stuff. Like, the pain was about the same. If anything, the pain was less for the bikini line, but I guess I should talk about my overall experience now. So, one, I definitely like this. Like, I'm very glad I purchased this because I will be using it again. It's way better than Nair because, like, it's, like, from the root, it's, like, wax, so it should last longer because Nair is pretty much shaving with cream. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. But it does leave, like, a sticky feeling, so you're definitely gonna have to, like wash with soap and water after doing this. And it is beginner friendly. It's, like, way beginner friendly because, like, if you mess up and you really don't want to go through with it, you can put water on your, like, armpit. With, like, when it comes to, like, real wax, when you put it on, if you make, like, a mistake, it's over for you. Like, there's no way. But, like, let's say I was waxing my eyebrows and I made a mistake and, like, put too much here, like, that's it. Like, sorry, that eyebrow is gone. But if I'm using sugar wax and I really messed up, I could use water to dissolve it and, like, not go through with the wax. So, yeah. Overall, just to keep it short and sweet, I like this a lot. I think it's a good product. And plus, if you're, like, sensitive, because, like, me, I'm sensitive around, like, my armpits and, like, bikini line. I get ingrown hairs a lot. I think this is going to be very worth it because it has just 5 ingredients. It's not like you're putting chemicals there, which, like, I'm very, like, particular about. I don't like putting chemicals here and there and, like, yeah, no. So I think it's good for that. It does a good job. Of course, it's not like, I'm still a beginner, so there's still some stray hairs around, but it was really good. So that's all I really want to say. Like, I'm so excited. This is my new wax thing. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, that's all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions for me, as always, just leave them in the comments because I'd be down there. I answer pretty quickly, I think. So, yeah, just let me know how you guys like it if you try it or anything. Or if you did your own DIY one from, like, home and how that went. Because I tried it and it failed for me. Like, it was terrible. But, yeah, that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a great day. And like, share, comment, and subscribe. As always, bye, y'all.